Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich.
Oh man, it's the third and final day. It's day 3, 11th annual Irie weekend. We call this the IWXI Barbecue Beach Bash presented by Mountain Dew. This is gonna be so much fun. We have all kinds of cool attractions. I've got some surprise performances. I got a surprise guest appearance. You guys are gonna believe this. We're talking worldwide, y'all. It's about to be crazy. It's the Beach Bash. It's gonna be so crazy. We here, baby. It's the Beach Bash. Let's go.
Happy birthday!
So first of all, I want to say it's an honor to be out here with DJ Irie today. I see everybody from the crib, and if you're not from Miami, well, then you're from Miami today. So with that said, I want to give a big shout out to DJ Irie for always showing love. So enjoy, have fun, get on the chain,